Hey there, motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome back to Motor Treadlands. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting content. Today, we're diving into the world of beginner motorcycle riding. We've got a list of the top 10 common mistakes that new riders often make, and we're here to help you avoid them. So, let's rev up and get started. Mistake number 1, lack of proper gear. Number 1 on our list is not wearing the right gear. It's easy to underestimate the importance of a good helmet, gloves, protective clothing, and sturdy footwear. Safety should always be your top priority. So, invest in quality gear that'll keep you safe and comfortable on the road. Mistake number 2, skipping training. Many beginners make the mistake of thinking they can just hop on a bike and figure it out. That's a recipe for disaster. Enroll in a reputable riding course to learn the fundamentals of motorcycle operation, safety techniques, and road awareness. Mistake number 3, overestimating abilities. Just because you've watched experienced riders pull off fancy maneuvers doesn't mean you should attempt them right away. We get it. That new bike is thrilling, but don't push yourself too hard. Start with short rides in low traffic areas, and gradually build up your skills. Also, some beginner riders sometimes ignore engine displacements and eagerly purchase bikes with powerful engines as their first motorcycle. Larger and more powerful engines may be too hot to handle by inexperienced riders. Start with the basics and gradually work your way up as you gain confidence and skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. Mistake number 4, ignoring maintenance. Regularly check your bike's tire pressure, brakes, oil levels, and other vital components. Neglecting maintenance can lead to accidents and costly repairs down the road. Mistake number 5, not scanning the road. It's crucial to keep an eye on the road, anticipate potential hazards, and be prepared to react. Tunnel vision can be dangerous, so constantly scan your surroundings and use your mirrors. Also, be wary of intersections as it's where the action happens, and they can be pretty tricky. Always approach with caution, look both ways, and anticipate what other drivers might do, and remember, defensive riding is your best friend. Mistake number 6, incorrect body position. Your body posture affects your control and balance. New riders often grip the handlebars too tightly or lean too far forward. Remember to relax your grip, keep your body upright, and use your legs to grip the tank. Slouching or gripping the handlebars too tightly can lead to discomfort and reduced control. Keep your back straight, elbows relaxed, and maintain a light grip. Your ride will be way more enjoyable. Mistake number 7, braking errors. Slamming on the brakes can lead to skidding and loss of control. Instead, practice smooth and controlled braking, using both front and rear brakes in the right proportions. And finally, the 8th mistake is riding beyond your limits. It's important to know your skill level and avoid pushing yourself too hard. Riding in unfavorable weather conditions, on unfamiliar roads, or at high speeds without adequate experience can be risky. There you have it, folks. The top 8 common mistakes that beginner motorcycle riders often make. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to becoming a safer and more skilled rider. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow riders. And as always, ride safe, stay alert, and keep the rubber side down. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.